for the convocation ceremony of the 94th Degree Engineering and the 22nd Technical Entry Scheme courses. At the outset, I extend my heartiest compliments and felicitations to the graduating officers for their academic performance and the faculty members for their toil in shaping these young minds. I have seen some excellent projects and the activity, and I have requested General to send some copies of their performance to me so that we can see how to use them also. Today marks an important day, significant milestone in your life. Through your hard work and dedication, you have earned your degrees and awards. It's a moment of pride for you as much as it is for your teachers, parents, and those who had a part in shaping your life so far. Your mission for higher learning began here with great passion. It's to continue and has to make you feel fully confident with knowledge and positive attitude. This will build technical abilities and strength to meet challenging situations and to achieve success. I also want to remind all of you that so far the country has been giving to you, society has been helping you mold yourself, and this is the time, the opportunity for you now to give your contribution to the society to make it move further and better. Learning is a continuous process. We should crave for learning with application of our knowledge across the spectrum, exploring newer horizons in defense preparedness, upliftment of downtrodden, betterment of society, creating opportunities for the next generation, and creating a clean, healthy environment for our children to grow. I am sure that each one of you has different dreams, but surely you should never give up your dreams and aspirations. But these are the aspirations that will drive you to higher levels of achievement, make your life purposeful. I also want to tell you that when we dream, the dreams which make us achieve success are the dreams not in the horizontal position but in the vertical position, where our feet are on the ground and our heads are high in the sky. And these are the lessons that when we dream, we have to make sure that these dreams are converted to reality, plan strategy, plan action to make it happen, and that's what will lead to the real success. I would like to quote President Dr. Abdul Kalam's address. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. You are all intelligent, technical professionals with finest military values and trainings and standards. Technology has a crucial role to play in the knowledge age. As you progress in life, new technologies will envelop every element of your professional and personal life. And the technologies are fast changing. New military equipment, new combination of advancements in domain technologies, computers, microelectronics, communications, information technologies will continue to grow and provide new challenges, new paths. And often these challenges and these changes will be totally unpredictable. Development of expertise in technologies will be central to the utilization of opportunities. Meeting new challenges will require a constant update and a constant innovation. In this knowledge age, you will have a decisive role in shaping the destiny of our nation. We have got new paradigms coming up. Make in India, more indigenous systems, we are seeing a change where we are developing a new confidence in our national capabilities. We are creating a new processes coming up, and this is giving a new challenge and a new opportunities for the EME officers. The new indigenous systems, new systems being developed by the industry, how to design them for maintainability, how to design them for reliability, how to design them for Indian environment. I think this will provide a new opportunity for EME, not only to be a sustaining force, but a driving force for the design of good equipments. Because you understand best what problems are faced in the field, what are the difficulties of the soldiers, what are the problems, and I think this gives you an opportunity to drive the designs, participate at the base level, and integrate the user and the designer. I think this is the role which will emerge as a stronger role for the EME community as a whole. Today, as you graduate, I exhort you to set a great technological goal that will lead you to work harder and realize it. The country is offering immense opportunities. I think ours is the country which has got the maximum growth possibilities. We have not saturated and we are no longer struggling. We are creating new domains, new dimensions, and these new dimensions have to be nurtured by you. My compliments and appreciation go out to all of you, especially the award winners, for achieving this milestone with Elan, and also to their families, proud families who are here with them. In the end, I wish you all a rewarding and a professionally satisfying career, good health, success in all your endeavors. Whatever you wish will be yours, and may God be always with you. Jai Hind.